How to cancel an order on Temu. Quick and easy. Intro. Did you order something on Temu by mistake? Don't worry, I'll show you how to cancel your order step by step. Step 1. Open Temu app. First, open the Temu app on your phone and log in to your account. Step 2. Go to your orders. Tap on the U icon at the bottom right, then select your orders to see all your recent purchases. Step 3. Select the order. Choose the order you want to cancel. Make sure it hasn't been shipped yet, because Temu only allows cancellation before shipping. Step 4. Tap Cancel Order. Scroll down and tap on Cancel Order. You may need to select a reason for cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Finally, confirm the cancellation. If you paid already, Temu will automatically issue a refund back to your original payment method. Outro. And that's it. That's how you can cancel an order on Temu in just a few steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.